Hi, I'm Joe Peterson, your Napa County Fire Marshal, here with a quick safety message about smoke alarms. Smoke alarms are important because they'll give you that advanced warning in the event of a fire. You should test your smoke alarms monthly. In the event of fire, always remember to dial 911. For more information, visit our webpage at countyofnapa.org/fire department. We are Napa County Fire, working together for your safety.